production. Is it zoomed out at all?
It is zoomed out as much, probably the same. It's out.
Okay, Jake, we're coming.
Oh my gosh, I almost fell.
Really hard to clear. I see this dead baby owl over here yesterday. What if it's still there? It's not. That way. Find something. There are dogs in the house right there. If they bark, we'll get busted. Shh. What is that? There's an object in the middle of the alley. It's a cat. It ran away. We're being chased by a goblin. He's getting closer. He found something. He never pees when we're on a walk. What is it? What is it? That kind of hurt. There are spikes that shoot out of there. We gotta duck. We gotta.
Down low.
I avoided the needles. A leaf just fell from the tree. It's a clue. Look, Miss Blue. It's the thinking chair. Gotta think. Look, this is just a random chair. It is the thinking chair. It's a shoe. I want to marry that stop sign. Ooh, there's this cool place over here. Wait, Jake can't cross it. There's like a thing right there where you can cross. Come here, Jake. There's this cool place over here.
This is a parking lot.
Lock your car. Take your keys. Hide your belongings. What did you find?
I found nothing, boss.
You found something.
Boss, I think I found something. Wait. Yeah, it's over here. Wow, look at this big bush. I want to pee on it. But too bad I don't lift my leg when I pee because I grew up with a bunch of female dogs. I smell something down here. This way, guys. Ooh, it's another big bush. And a big pile of dinosaur food. Ooh, I found a yummy plant. I don't taste any blood, but this tastes very good. Ooh, look, it's a beer bottle. Oh, I don't like that. I feel tipsy. I'm gonna go back up. Wait. No, never mind. I changed my mind. I am walking. It is a hole. Oh my god, what is in that hole?
Uh-oh.
No, there's two bugs. We're gonna find.
Can Jake get up?
I don't want you to hurt yourself. Going in. Look at this.
Where are we going?
Wow. I want to climb that.
There's a random sidewalk.
Climb that thing.
What?
Look at that hawk. Right there. Look. Look.
Oh, I see.
Oh, they flew.
I see.
Wow, look at them.
Look at them go.
Focus.
They're so beautiful.
They're cool. I see them eating birds in my backyard.
Yo, boss, I think I'm finding something. I don't know why. I don't know why these people make my voice sound like this. I mean, I don't think I would sound like this. I would sound more like this, but no, I gotta sound like this for the effects of the video.
Your eyes are like, hey Jake, whoa, his eyes are glowing. Something possessed him! Run! Ah! Run! He has been possessed. He has been possessed. You gotta fall down and die.
Ow!
He's getting it. Jake, you gotta be mean. You're too nice to be a possessed ghost dog.
I have fallen and I can't get up. All senior
You
citizens.
look like a totally different person.
Come on, Jake. Jump. Jump, Jake.
Oh, Jake, it's okay. Good boy. Whoa, look at that hawk. Whoa, look at that hawk. Whoa, look at that hawk.
Doo-doo. 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 Doo-doo.
This probably isn't very good for my brain. Ew, look at the big, oh my god, there's a big spider! Wowie, zowie! I don't understand. I just farted. Just to walk up this hole. No hand. Never mind, I just hand. Ninja. Let's play baseball. Ow.
Maybe. I missed you. I didn't get you. Where are you? I can't even see you. Got it.
I'm in jail. I wonder if I can stick my tongue through that without touching anything.
She's got a call.
Bye. Bye. Luckily,
Okay, luckily.
Is it luckily or luckily?
Luckily.
It sounds like German.
Oh my gosh, say the line.
Luckily. Okay, luckily. Luckily, the leaves can stretch, so Jake can play in the sprinklers. You hold my ball. Frodo Baggins, the one ring who rules them all, is in a basket of fries. It's an onion ring. Jake! You gotta run.
No! There's no sprinklers.
It's a full moon.
What moon?
How?
Hyper Jake, hyper.
Let me watch.
Oh my god!
We ended up not solving this case. To be continued.